Hello everyone, we are located in Lanzarote at Playa Blanca and we are really excited to show you this property. Let's check it out. We found two levels. This one is more for living and the one we have down here is more for having fun with your friends or just chill out. I hope you like the interiors because now is coming my favorite part. We are on the ground floor. This room has a lot of taste. Like, look at this massive table made of concrete with some native plants, a beautiful sofa, and look, if I'm going through that way, I'm going just to the pool which has 25 meters. I hope you have enjoyed this property as I did, and I'm looking forward to sharing more properties like this one. See you pretty soon.